Hey guys, I just got off of work. I know I always be talking about my anxiety, but today I really don't want to talk about that. I always talk about that. I always talk about my anxiety. Man, honestly, I want to talk about how I'm feeling pretty good. I actually have been feeling really well. I kind of break from at least like filming parkour stuff. I just needed a break, you know what I mean? I just needed it. And well, it seemed to be good. I'm doing pretty good. Work even feels alright. Everything just seems to be coming together, you know what I mean? We're going through some hardship with our apartments, but we figured that out. We figured that out. Even after 3.5 years of doing this like a bunch of times, it's still kind of weird vlogging in public. It's still kind of weird. It's just still kind of weird. It's fun though. I like it. Film some things at the fountain over here, and yeah, doing a little POV thing. You're gonna see a bunch of other spots too. Maybe not in today's vlog, but I'm certainly gonna get a little combo thing here with this spot right here. Too tired.
My mom's irreplaceable, it's unrelatable. Hot one's unbreakable, that's why I'm always available. It's unexplainable, but when I feel their energy, anything's attainable. So generous, funny and caring. Hot or love, never wearing and tearing. Always putting me first, even when I was at my worst. Cause it's all my crazy outbursts. Still something you never did deserve. All the worry and the stress from a stupid arrest. But God bless, because you brought out the best. The past is the best. Forget the sesh. Fake friends chatting shit, now they're still a mess. Don't be racist, don't be prejudiced. The biggest problem in the world is all the terrorists. Stick together now, let's beat the nemesis. Pushing positivity towards a negative. Taking lethal walks, picnics, extensive talks. Arriving home to a bowl full of shrill. Shots of red, dipping in something real. So tasty if only you know. Stick the kettle on, let's have a brew. Never forget that I love you.
We're at anchor spot. At anchor spot. It's called that because there's an anchor. Ugh. I got really bad knees. Not as bad as my brother's. You'll probably bring it up in the comments if I put this in the video, but. Yeah, that's bad for me. That's weird. That's anchor spot. All right. While I'm feeling really good mentally, like I'm on top of the world. Relationship with Tom's going great. He's passing all his classes in college. Work's going good. They're kind of letting me just do what I need to do. It's not that bad, but my knees are just not giving out right now. I did get off an 8-hour shift like just a bit ago, so it makes sense. But yeah, I'll probably come out later, definitely on Monday as well. Just got some stuff to do, but I can't take too many more big drops. And I know like 2 or 3 of the spots I want to hit up for this POV are it's gonna be a little droppy. I'm probably just being a wuss, but the one time I'm not being a wuss is when I'm gonna blow my ACL or something. And that doesn't sound fun. Well, that's another day. Our Harry Kane's better, Louis. Our Harry Kane's better. 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 Our Harry Kane's better.